We did it.
We did it.
We did it. We did it.
We did it together.
Together.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, today is trailer day. Woo! It's a dream come true.
Our
Yes, it is.
dream
Come true.
I'm so glad I chose you all, and I cannot wait because we will be back.
So tell me about the dream. Where did this come from? How did it start? Where did the name come from?
Started with the Dash of Love experience, right?
Yeah.
We would have the table set, very formal, and we would have family and friends home over, and we'd spread out the table with our food, put our little Dash of Love logo, and feed them.
We're perfectionists at what we do in our craft, so that's what we did, and the name stuck with it, you know? And the logo.
We actually designed ourselves
We designed our
with
own
a little salt shaker that's shaking out the love all over the food.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell me about the food. Tell me about the food.
Oh,
the food.
Oh, man.
Amazing.
And I want some food.
I told Ace I was actually gonna bring him some seafood. The seafood salad is our #1 seller.
Yes, the signature.
Everyone loves it. It's also a toss-up between the chicken salad too. Chicken salad croissants, they love that. We do a shrimp linguine. They love that too. But yeah, we're gonna be doing a lot of food. We'll do breakfast, we'll do lunch, we'll do dinner. Yeah.
We just had a client come today. They met you guys. They said, I want to meet you guys. And they did. They picked your brain a little bit. You gave them some words of encouragement. Share some of that with our people. Give them that motivation, that kick in the butt to go.
Faith.
Faith. You have to walk.
Leap.
You have to walk out on faith.
Leap.
Whatever you dream and you believe, and you have to go deep in your innermost self, and everything will be possible.
Believe it.
Believe it. Yeah, man. Thanks again, Ace.
Love though.
All right.
Anytime.
It's here. We thank all of you all at One Fat Fry, for me and my wife and my family. We extend our gratitude to you guys on a wonderful job, allowing our vision to come to full surface. Oh, we thank y'all. We thank y'all. Come to see Dash of Love Catering, South Carolina, Branchville. We on the map. And I can't forget Mario. He's been such an excellent guy. Come on here, Mario.
I love Mario. I gotta get a picture with Mario.
We'll get you all together in a second.
Mario is the man. If you need anyone for assistance here at One Fat Frog, come see Mario. This the guy. He'll walk you through it. It was wonderful. I appreciate all that they did during COVID. Numero uno. Perfecto, well job, well done. And we will be back for another truck very soon.
So, final words, thank you so much. And we bringing it back. We bringing it home.
And we thank y'all for the love, from the Dash of Love.
Thank you.
From our home to your home.
Thank you.
God bless.
You was trying to tell me.
I'm recording here.
You like,
That's fine.
what's the matter with you?